From the mid-esophageal aortic valve long axis, we transition to the mid-esophageal bicaval view. Now this view, as the name implies, involves imaging of both the IVC and the SVC. It is traditionally found with a rightward turn of the probe and changing the omniplane to approximately 110 to 120 degrees. Now the bicaval view is useful for a variety of reasons. Number one, it's useful in placement of central venous catheters, as the wires we use with the Seldinger technique are readily seen in the right atrium with this view. Frequently we can also catch an off-axis glimpse of the tricuspid valve here, and many times a tricuspid regurgitant jet lines up very nicely with the transducer angle to accurately quantify tricuspid regurgitant peak gradient using our continuous wave Doppler. In addition, interrogation of the intraatrial septum should occur in the bicaval view. To do this, remember to dial down your Nyquist scale to approximately 25 or 30 and acquire a loop displaying as thin of an intraatrial septum as possible. Further interrogation of the septum using a bubble study can also be done here as well.